What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Woke up this morning to my allergies trying to kill me, so bear with me today. It might be a long one. We've also got a hungry horse over here. What's up, horse? How you doing? Everything good? You enjoying your breakfast? What do you got in there? Some Wheaties? Gotta get you nice and strong, all right? We got some races to run. All right, you do you. We'll be outside. So we got a couple things going on today. First and foremost, this morning, we've got my buddy Marcella, the electrician, coming over, and he's going to be adding some outlets and stuff to this little pergola, patio cover, whatever you want to call it, thing that I built years ago for over our planter section here. But while I was at Home Depot the other day, I picked up these super sweet party lights, and instead of running extension cords everywhere, because that looks tacky, we are going to hardwire up a couple of outlets in here. Uh-oh, we got El Hombre, El Jefe. The man, the myth, the legend. What's up, Marcella, Ella? Hey, look, I'm officially part of the team today.
I see that.
I mean, I think you gave me a size U, but you know, I'm squeezing into it.
A size U?
Jeez.
My
What's up, dog? I mean, you know, I give you the Rona.
Photo sensor, and then we'll go from here this way, right?
You're just bringing your constant and switched. Exactly, you're exactly right. Two
Okay.
hots.
Okay, cool.
Two
Perfect.
hots.
Dang, bro. You brought the mac and cheese? So James and Aaron have been working hard on the other side, getting everything wired up. We do have party lights on this side of the yard too. You can probably see them right there, right above the dog poop patch. And these, obviously there's no power to this side of the yard. A little bit hokey way here, but we're gonna run a cord to one of these little receivers here. Don't worry, everything's outdoor rated. Hey Aaron, my side's done, buddy. Look at that.
You're already complete.
Yeah, mine light up. I mean, granted, you guys got a little more work. Your side's got to be a little more clean into code, but so good news is they're finishing up wiring there. We've got our outlet there for our string lights. We've got an outlet on the back that's going to be on our spotlight for the flag there. Got an outlet down below. It's just an accessory outlet. Looking good, boys. Looking good.
Hey, thank you, Ryan.
And then for our flag light, we did a little modification over here on one of these spotlights. I just screwed it right here so I can get the grinder on here and not chop my hand off. I cut a notch out of the little stake that goes into the ground, and this will mate up perfectly with the 2x3s that are on the patio cover. Drilled a hole in the back, one little screw, and we'll have a fully adjustable spotlight. All right, just a quick interruption to this video. I wanted to show you guys the finished product before we move on. So obviously we got the lights behind me lit up. We've got all of the lighting over here lit up, as well as our beautiful spotlight that we modified to mount to the patio cover. Fully adjustable, lighting up, of course, Old Glory up there. Now all the lighting is tied to a photocell, so it comes on at night, but we also wanted the option to be able to shut off the party lights. So we've got a nice switched outlet here. We could turn those off, or we could have it set to where they come on when the sun goes down every night. So again, Marcel Electric did a great job. Thank you, buddy. Let's continue to this video. Well, now that Aaron and them are gone, all the work here is done. We're gonna go pick up a surprise gift that we got for pretty much everybody that's been on the channel lately. And you're gonna wanna stay tuned because it's gonna be available to you guys as well. We gotta head up to our buddies at Swift Powder Coat and see what they pulled off for us. Now, I don't just go to Swift Powder Coating because they're local and they're close to me. They're actually way far out of the way. I actually passed a bunch of powder coat shops on the way, but ever since day one of coming to Swift, they have taken amazing care of me and done killer work. So it's gonna be the first reveal for you guys. You're gonna see it before everybody does on the gifts that we got them. All right, here we go. Good. So obviously these are trailer hitch covers, and I went ahead and made some for everybody that I know what colors they would want. So obviously we got Wes's powder coat color. All right, so they were just in a rush to start wrapping them up, but we'll pull them out here and we'll put one together. I kind of don't want to dig through the... You know what, let's get back to the warehouse. So I got all those are the guys that I know powder coat colors of. The ones that I don't, I had a bunch that were made raw, so they can get them powder coated or painted or whatever they want to do with them, but we're gonna go back to the warehouse right now, get those assembled, and then we're basically gonna surprise everybody. Everybody's getting a hitch cover that's kind of in our little immediate circle. All right, after a quick wardrobe change into a shirt that actually fits me, we are over at the warehouse now. I'm gonna try and get all of these assembled and displayed before everybody starts showing up. So I probably did a horrible job of explaining things earlier at the powder coat shop. I was just trying to get in and out, but I've already started assembling. Here we've got the new Work For It hitch covers that we're going to be offering. All CNC plasma cut, 3/16 inch steel, and obviously we've got a couple different color variations. We got the white and black, which is not assembled yet. That's gonna be going on my truck. We've got red and black here. This one is for Fern. Now for Chris, we tried to match the Method bronze. I'm not sure how well we did. I was talking over at Swift and they were saying that, like, yeah, Method's bronze color is super hard to match. Method themselves, like, hasn't even been able to, like, or they haven't revealed what the color is. There's some, like, process they use in China that comes out with a color that's, like, really hard to match in powder coat. So I'm hoping we did our best with this one. This is, like, the one color we were struggling most with to match Chris's truck. But we will be assembling Chris's just like so. Try not to scratch it here. There we go. Chris's will be assembled, and then We had to hook our boy Wes up as well. We had one done a little bit dusty. We got to clean it off here. Had one done in Wes's powder coat color to match his entire lift kit. And again, like I said earlier, these guys, I knew what color they would want. I don't know what color everybody else wants. So for the rest of the guys that are going to be showing up today and getting their surprises, we've got a bunch of them in this box right here. And this is how we're going to be selling them, because obviously there's 10 million powder coat colors out there, and to keep doing one-offs all day long, like, it would drive us crazy and it would take an insane amount of time. So we're going to be shipping them raw. This is how they are going to ship. Super, super easy. Lock washer, nut on the other side. You can pull them apart, have them powder coated, painted, vinyl wrapped, whatever you want to do. I mean, you can see the color possibilities are just endless. These are available on workforapparel.com. There will be a link right there. We're doing a pre-order in the very beginning just to kind of get things rolling and see how many we need to make. And if I were you guys, to simplify shipping, I would just order that alone. Even if you want to add other stuff on top of it, do that in a separate order. It makes shipping a lot easier and it ends up being cheaper. And then after the big reveal today, I believe we have Noah coming over. Noah is the graffiti artist that painted the beautiful Work For It wall for us. He's going to be doing another hood. He's doing one for Black Dahlia, and this one's going to be like a completely different hood design. It's something super random, you guys. You're not going to want to miss that. But geez, now that I see these all together, these things turned out absolutely rad. I'm loving these. Our display is looking good. Now we're just gonna cover these up and hide them till everybody gets here. How long do you guys think before we catch Wes trying to peek up underneath that moving blanket to see what's there? I'm gonna give it like 5 minutes. Oh, what's up, buddy? Look at this thing.
Different car.
Right?
This is a driving project.
This thing's pretty rad, dude. The paint job on this thing looks pretty sick.
Yeah, it was actually just repainted pretty recently.
That's a cool color, man. With like a root beer-ish. I don't even know. What do you call that?
I'm gonna keep the paint coat a secret.
Yeah, dude, you ready to paint another hood today?
Always.
You got a weird paint job today. Did you?
I love it. I love it. I'm excited for it.
We're not gonna reveal yet to them what they're gonna have to wait till you start painting.
Till the end of the video.
Oh, let's see what colors we got. Maybe they'll guess by the color.
Yeah, not too much colors, but
Oh, yeah, it's pretty black and white.
I'll have some fun with it. Some accents.
All right. And behind door number 1, we've got Fernando. Oh, he must have gone around to the front. Creeping around both sides. Fern's Semi-Famous Barbecue. What's up, Fern's Semi-Famous Barbecue?
No barbecue days, just pizza.
Just pizza?
Just pizza.
You want to see?
I want to see.
You want to see? I mean, you know about them, but you haven't even seen yours done.
I haven't seen it.
I'll give you a sneak peek. Go ahead.
Okay.
Well, here, yours are, they're on this side.
Just a slip,
The
just a slip.
done ones are on this side.
The big reveal.
What do you think, Fern? What do you think?
Wow.
You like it?
It's
Yeah, let Noah take a look.
come here, Noah. You can appreciate art.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Those look awesome.
Wow.
Oh, look at Mr. Red over here. What's up, boys? Good to see you guys. Hold on, I gotta go look at Christian's new little redness we got going on over here.
Today's the big reveal of it.
Jeez, this is looking rad, dude. What's up, buddy?
Hi, how are you?
I like it, dude.
Oh,
I
thank
like
you.
it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Changing it up?
Yeah, doing something different. Doing something different.
Is that like a flake on the wrap, or what is that?
No, its color is called actually, yeah, metallic. I guess you could say.
I see like a metallic in there.
cherry.
That looks pretty rad, dude.
Oh, thank
Did
you.
you do this yourself?
Yep.
How much of a nightmare was it wrapping this little?
This was a pain in the ass, and this was a pain in the ass because this before was chrome.
Yeah.
But I took it and wrapped this. Actually, my wife did. I give her all the credit. She did it.
Dang, Fern, that pizza's the size of your whole truck bed, dude.
You know what? It didn't fit inside, so I had to go really slow over here. 28 inches.
Is that pineapple on pizza, Fern?
Yeah, you know the DM last night.
That's a sin. Look at this, dude. Woo!
I got water.
I'm a basic bee over here.
Oh, hey, look! I got basics.
When Wes gets out, everybody start clapping.
Doing his monkey
Alright.
suit.
Hey, you made it, buddy! Hey! So not only did Christian fully pimp out his truck with some new red, he's the one getting his hood done today. What are we doing? Are we going over top of the heat shield stuff?
No.
You're gonna pull the heat shield?
Yeah, I'm
Are you
rip it
sure?
up. Oh yeah, for sure.
All right. Strongest guy on the channel right here.
Bro,
Deadlift competition.
No, he would whip my
Deadlift
ass.
competition.
He would whip my ass.
Is anybody gonna grab it, or are you just gonna stand there
Yeah,
watching?
where do you want it?
You ready, Rich? This is all for you, buddy.
I guess. I don't know what to expect.
We're here for you, dude.
All right.
This is an intervention. Have a seat. We need to talk.
Fern called us here today
Oh, okay.
for who knows what.
Everybody needs to come on this side. So.
That side?
Let him on that. I need a thumbnail over there. Put him over there for my thumbnail. Hey, whoa. What did I?
I didn't see anything.
I mentioned in the video earlier, how long before Wes just opens it up and looks underneath it? I gave him 5 minutes.
When did that get set up?
Listen, I'm gonna say my piece quick. Thank you guys for always representing Work For It. Go ahead. Let's unveil this shit. Go ahead, Fern. There you go. Everybody's getting hooked up. There we go. That one's yours, Wes. We got you. We got you, bro.
I would have never guessed.
We got you, bro. In case you couldn't tell. Brian has to have his painted because he's gonna do color match stuff. So Brian, enjoy.
No, he needs vinyl. Vinyl.
Oh yeah, vinyl. He wants the vinyl. There you go. I mean the rest of you guys. There you go. Rich, Justin, Christian.
Yeah, where's the bolt box for it?
Boltlock.com. They welded a sleeve into your hitch, bro.
Dude, look at that. Dude, that's crispy. Look at that.
Yeah, beautiful weld.
Yeah,
Beautiful
dude.
weld.
I believe now I just need to get a bolt lock for it and it'll be solid.
Little powder coat.
Powder
Done.
coat, yeah.
Thank you, bro.
So I can't wait to put mine on now. I gotta get my sleeve.
Mine's on right now.
Let's see Fernando's. Looking good, buddy. Looking good.
I
like the black and red. I think it looks
like it.
it looks pretty slick.
It's got character.
Spikes.
Venom Wheel sent me some 6-inch color matched
Why'd you
lugs.
use 6-inch?
Well, I accidentally ordered the 4.5s, and then Brian, obviously he's got to copy everything, so he went and ordered them after me. But shout out to the guys at Venom Wheel. They hooked me up with some more spikes. They got all different styles. They got them spline style. They make adapters, wheel spacers, all kinds of wheel accessories. So check them out. Venom_wheel on Instagram.
This is our sketch for Fern's hood right here.
That looks so sick, dude.
Looks like a donkey, but I'll take it.
Oh, hey.
Hey, it looks like
Hey.
a Tijuana donkey. Though.
Your art's more respectable than that. Don't work with this guy.
I try. Hey, constructive criticism. You know.
All right.
Like,
But the,
That's true. Everybody did get mad that I sat there with you all day filming you because everybody's like, oh, it's got to be so annoying for a true artist. Listen, I'm sure it was, and I hate when people watch me work, but the only way these videos happen is if I'm standing there with a camera.
the only way to be an artist,
I like
like
it.
do something, is like you gotta be able to take criticism while you're working, because then the client's not gonna like it.
Oh, dang, no, it already looks like the picture.
Have fun with it.
Can we show the picture real quick?
Yeah, sure.
There you go. All right, children, we're gonna censor that. There you go.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit, dude! Good lord! Bro, this thing's like a full-size chopper.
right.
Jeez. There you go.
Weight reduction.
Right?
Hey, will it steer? Can you turn around?
Actually, yeah.
Is this the Southern California Greg A? You could be it's twin, dude. You probably don't know who Greg A is, but you look just like him. Yeah, this is working great, boys. Working great. There we go. That's smarter, not harder, boys. Smarter, not harder.
Good luck
I don't
getting
really
those
know how you're
off.
gonna get the last hair bit though.
Got that Adams tire shine coming in handy right there.
Are you serious?
Little lubrication.
The banana flavor in the mouth,
How's it taste?
not good.
Like bananas?
Meanwhile, while those guys are figuring out the triag, Noah's over here crushing it.
Yep.
Looking good, dude. Looking good.
Doing my best.
That looks insane, Noah. Jeez.
Pure evil coming out. That does look really good. Pure evil coming out.
The little flames down below. Christian, I don't know if Jesus is gonna take the wheel in your truck, buddy.
Nope, not at all. Oh, that is so.
Is that the blood of demons? You're spreading the blood of demons on there?
Yes, bro. Just filling up the cap and throwing it, right?
Boom! Great work, Noah.
Yeah, that is a really good job, though. That is badass.
She looks super grumpy.
Come up with an idea for mine.
Dude, that little like divot in the metal right there is perfect. Holy crap! All right, Fern, pull yours off. You're next. Let's go. We got
Barbecue.
like 4 seconds of daylight.
Where's your hood? I need help.
All right, we got hood number 2 going on. Fern, right there. That's your inspiration.
What are we doing?
Translate that to boom.
Remember, there's an S.
I'll remember there's an S.
There's an S.
There's even a little.
No. Hey, make a backwards Z. It should be a
And then
backwards Z.
BBQ. Don't go to BBW, man. Someone f***ed it up last time.
The last hood.
Hey,
Yeah.
put some big old butt cheeks on that. That's some cheeks.
Pork butt.
Hey, nobody but the hood.
Put some big old butt cheeks on that cap.
I'm not Florida style.
Hey, Fern, that looks just like you, dude.
Looks like a cow. Okay, so.
Yeah, what part? Are we gonna label all the parts on that booger?
Yeah, we can do that.
All right, that's the cabeza.
Yeah, I got some good meat in those meat cheese.
Now painted hoods are so played out, everybody's got them. I don't even know if I want one anymore. But they look so good.
They do. But you gotta be unique.
All right, time to get Christian's hood mounted up.
You get up there, hold it, and make sure it don't slide in. I'll mount it.
I'm a little nervous about it. I'd rather hand it to you. This is your truck.
You got lucky.
Don't let it slide down. Like the front end's got to come up higher. You got to like come down even on that bracket. Hey, good news, Christian. That looks so sick with that red.
Yeah, dude.
That looks
Yeah, that's-
crazy.
Crispy. He said wait. He said wait.
Yeah, no, I said wait until you got that first one set. The first one's in. It's not gonna go anywhere. Just try not to like wiggle it too much, though.
Chris, you lining up next to? We're doing hoods all day today, buddy. What do you need? Welcome. You're a little late.
Just a little. Some people got to work around here.
That's fair. That's fair. Here you go, bro. It's as close to method as we could get right there.
Oh, that's sick. I like it. I like the gold. Or the bronze.
Bronze.
All right, guys. Well, things are kind of wrapping up over here. Lots of hoods getting painted these days. But again, as you guys saw earlier, if you want the hitch covers, they will be over at workforapparel.com. There is a link down in the description.
Chris looking for the snacks, buddy. What you found? Oh, dude, they got Red Bulls. They got everything in there, dude. Help yourself, pizza.
So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. Rich, where are you?
Roll the outro.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.